amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Cheshire Yakshi Mash. Good day y'all. As you can see here, Millie Lou and Gilligan, they had their haircuts today. They're still a little bit shivery, they're not used to it. Oh, you're still a little bit shivery. Are you a little bit shivery with the cold? Shh, don't worry. Don't worry, you little face. Look at that little face. Anyway, so they've had their hair cut. So that means a big fur mess test. And as you can see, as I scrub, quite a lot of fur. Even though we have only 2 dogs now, that's still quite a lot of fur for, 3 months ago. So I was thinking, what vacuum can we use today? And then I went into the Hoover room and I remembered this. This is the Hoover Eco G. This is a A-class energy machine. Pet friendly. We've got a minimum and a maximum on this. So if I just take... I quite like the colour combination on it, to be honest, and the feel of the plastic. It's not an amazing machine, but it's pretty good. It's quite a chunky, substantial machine. If I... Whoa! That's got a bit of a vicious tilt to it. I want this open up. Here we have all the gubbins. So we've got the filters, so we've got the HEPA filter, and the bag itself, genuine cloth bag. It's actually, I've just covered it in dust now. So anyway, so this is what we're going to be using for today. If I turn it on, oops, turn it into minimum power. It's very quiet. Not bad suction. Turn it on to max. That is very good. Turn it off. Okay, so I've had this a couple of years. There's the tools in there. That's the indicator for the pressure on the bag to tell me if the bag is full or not. Got these little tools here on it. If I turn it over, I will see the Hoover model 8070, 700 watts, Hoover Limited Merthyr, made in China. It's quite funny actually to see Merthyr and China in the same thing. We've got 2 wheels here and 2 wheels at the back, so it is quite a mobile machine, even though, it's all the wheels move on it. So it's quite agile for going around places, so it's not bad at all. So we're going to do this big fur mess test. Will we be able to get all of this fur into that bag? I do not know. Let's find out. Okay, I'm going to start it on max. Let's do some slow. Okay, we've lost power. And I can see... Oh, that is a vicious tilt. Oh, there we go. You have to push it harder than you think. You think you're going to break it, but you have to push it right up. Let's take a look at the bag. And that bag is quite full. I'm not going to toss it. I'm going to pick the hair out. Okay, so I managed to pull out quite a lot from there. Let's put that back in. And let's carry on. Okay, so we managed to get everything up in there on that. Let's just do a quick around. Almost. Okay guys, so there we go, big firmness test done for today using my lovely Hoover Eco G. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.